Hi, I'm Ruth DeHoyes, and I'm with Expert Village to show you how to do your wonderful bridal bouquet and a corsage for the perfect wedding. That's 4. Here's 5. A couple more. Now, if you can see how the 4 on the bottom and this one's on top. All you have to do is you just put a quick pull on the bottom and you push it in, just so they're all uniform and they're all the same. There will be some leaves that are kind of bad and brown, then you just pull them off. It's fine because you don't need all the rose petals. Again, take your rose and you tape it. It's 5. That should be it right there. It's 3, 6, 7. See how uniform that is? One more. And then you tape it